Namaste all. I am Stani Krishan from Zydus Hospitals, Ahmedabad. Today, I welcome you all to the second episode of Liver series. And today's topic is hepatitis B. And for more information, we have Dr. Pathik Parikh, liver specialist, Zydus Hospitals, Ahmedabad.
Hello friends, I am Dr. Pathik Parikh and we are discussing on acute or chronic viral hepatitis. The topic today we'll be discussing would be hepatitis B. Now hepatitis B affects 4 crore Indians and it is causing 1.4 million deaths every year. Hepatitis B is the commonest cause of liver cancer in India. Hepatitis B is a virus which gets transmitted by unsafe sexual practices, IV drug use, unhygienic syringes, unhygienic blood transfusion, and sometimes from mother to child as well. Some uncommon or unknown reasons would be sharing razors, sharing toothbrushes, or even by tattoo needles. The rate of transmission is 100 times more than HIV for hepatitis B. Once hepatitis B enters your bloodstream, it rarely causes any symptoms. It goes into the liver and stays there for years to decades and starts damaging the liver from inside. So when you present with symptom, your liver is already damaged beyond repair. So we need to identify this virus before it causes significant damage to the liver. And there is a simple blood test which is available in most of the laboratories to detect this. Once we are diagnosed with hepatitis B, your liver specialist would decide whether you need treatment for hepatitis B or you just need observation for that. If you need liver treatment for hepatitis B, it is quite safe without any side effects and you can easily take it. To protect yourself from hepatitis B, you need to vaccinate yourself. And these vaccinations are easily available. So those kids who are born beyond 2002, vaccination is given during their national immunization schedule. But if you are born before 2002, you have to go and consult your general practitioner and ask for hepatitis B vaccination. I hope all of us get vaccinated for hepatitis B and we stay protected. Thank you.
Hope you like the video. Stay tuned for our upcoming episode on hepatitis C. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Namaste.